Hello, this is Anthony Farah. Today I will be demonstrating how to edit your WordPress document. So when it comes to logging in, now my account is already set up, my page, my website is already set up. Normally when you first install it, after it is installed and your account is already set up, if you create a meta tag on the side of your post and then click the login, it'll give you the login to your WordPress. Just use your username and then the password, whatever it is. Obviously, not going to give out that information. Mine is already set up to auto log me in. Once you log in, this will be where your editing is. This is going to be your dashboard. This is going to be all your different tags, customize. These are going to be updates. I'll show you when it comes to the theme and when it comes to editing your posts and stuff. But that will be where you log in. Now, when it comes to this next thing, I'm going to show you how to create a post or page. You can do it one of two ways. I'm going to show you through the actual dashboard, but the create a page new is going to be up top here. Now, you can do that either through page or post right here, or as I said, you can go to your dashboard, which is just going to be whatever your title is at the dashboard. Here are going to be the different things. This is going to be your customized site. This is going to be all of your information, next steps, add page, stuff like that. You can add an about page to your website. I'm going to do a page. So when you want to do a new page, you can go to either all pages, as I'll show here, and then you can look and stuff like this. This is where pre-existed pages are going to be. If you want to add a page, you go to add new, and this is where you go to create a page or post. Now this is going to be your editor. For this next section, I'm going to show you how to edit. These are going to be your titles. So we'll just put title in the title. Now this next part is either a writing block or different things underneath it. This is where you're going to go up to an add block. These are going to come underneath your title. You're going to have multiple different ones. You're going to have like a paragraph if you want to add a paragraph. I have some photo gallery plugins that I will be showing later. We have some images, some heading, uh, etc. Things like that. I'm going to show you how to add an image. So this is going to be your image. Now, when you click the insert image, you will see that it will bring up upload media library, which is going to be through WordPress, or insert from an URL. So up top here, I'm going to do upload. I have plenty of pictures on my computer. I'm just going to do this one of a baby eating food. Anything you can. You can add text for it here, create a caption. You can do different size. You can do a thumbnail size, which is just going to be typical size of a thumbnail, a medium size, or a full size. You can also change exactly the width and zoom and how big you want it. You can link it to another file down here. So say you wanted to link it to another media file, it would just be down here. Now with an image, you can also do advanced. This is just going to be CSS. This is where you're going to be able to edit anything on here if you want to add different colors and stuff like that. Very simple again. Now, the next thing I'm going to show is the how to add a hyperlink. Now, this is very simple. This one is just going to be um, this one is going to be video. So when you want to add a video, it's fairly simple. You can add it through here, which is going to be the hyperlink, something you can click, or you can just upload the straight video. Another way to do the links, as I showed, was down here. This is going to be a custom URL if you want to type it in. This one's going to be an attachment page if you wanted to attach to another page, or a media file specifically. So these are going to be all the different ways that you can do a custom URL, or if it's a video hyperlink that you want inserted in there, you can do it like this. All very simple, not very hard. Now, next, I'm going to show plugins. Plugins are probably fairly difficult. I'm just gonna leave this. I'm not gonna save it. If you want to publish it, this is gonna save it, or you can save draft. Publish it's gonna automatically put it up, and people will be able to see it. Save draft is gonna save it and allow you to leave. I'm just going to leave it because I'm not too worried about this one. Now, plugins. These are going to be different things that you have. So I have different things. I have certain ones that I'm actually going to activate now. Um, These are all fairly simple plugins. I'm going to apply them. This is how you apply them. Um, I'm not going to do that right now. But no, let me exit out of these. Um, so to do a new plugin, these are just all the plugins that were telling me to activate them right now. But to do a new plugin, you're gonna want to go to new. It's gonna bring in a plugin library. Now, plugins are anything that like an anti-spam for your comments, something that helps you start and create posts. Gutenberg, which is just another one that helps create posts. Now, say you wanted one for like a gallery. You can go over here and search. It's going to be very easy and simple to add the plugin. I already have one. I'll do a new one. So if you want to do image gallery, you can either install now or click it up here if you want to read it. Go through the different things, and then you can go into the install. Now, installing them is not going to be incredibly hard. Activating them, you can activate straight from here, or as I showed you in the plugins page, and then here it is activated, and then this will give you the info on it, what it is, how to configure, stuff like that. Now themes are going to be over on the side over here. They're going to be in appearances. Now appearances is going to bring in everything, so this is going to be your themes and stuff like that. You can search and install different themes by up here. You can search installed ones. You can add a new theme, which is just going to be other themes down here. So I'm just going to pick one of these themes and install it. This is how you add a theme. Now you can activate it. I'm not going to activate this one. But that is how you activate it. You would just hit activate and then it would update to your theme. As you can see, I already have my theme. I'm not going to change my theme as it looks very nice. Now, when it comes to an image gallery, as I showed you, I have my image gallery that I used. I downloaded a new one. We're going to create a new page, and I'm going to show you how to create, upload media content to it, and then edit it. So you can go into ad block here as well if you want to edit a page. You can go to next gen, add next gen. Now, most ones are going to be different. I use next gen because it's got a fairly simple layout. You're going to want to upload images, so new. Now, you want to add a file, click whatever file, and add to here. Add a file, click new file, add to here. We'll do two. We'll make a fairly simple one. We will start the upload. So this will create the new gallery. Then you can go to manage galleries. New is going to be the new one. Once you click on it, this is where you can add the title, description, or tags to it. Tags are going to tag it in other things. So if you have sidebars or any widgets on your website, that is where people are going to be able to find it through the tags. This is going to be the title. This is going to describe your image. Right now it's just a bunch of words, so you would describe it as baby eating spinach, and then that would be it. This will be the description for it. Your tags again. You can also view it. Meta, which just shows the metadata for this image. Metadata is just how you connect back to that image, shows the text, height, different values, what the MD5 name for it is, etc., etc. You can rotate, you can publish it straight from here. You can try and recover this image from backup or delete this image. These are going to be, so this is going to be the alternate text, alternate tags, and description. Other than that, not too much to add to this video. Very simple to publish it. It's just very similar. I'll show you my already published one. So you just publish it. I have it set up to my gallery. You go into here, and then it'll show you the different ways and the different images. I have mine just on the source code titles already that are on them, how they were edited, and what I found them with. And then you can add captions below and stuff like that. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is Anthony Farah.